So friends, finally Redmi's flagship series Redmi K20 will be launched officially on May 28th in China. The brand confirmed on Weibo, which will then be launched in India very soon. And recently its box as well as the back cover has also been leaked. In this video I will tell you everything that you need to know about the upcoming device, including its mostly confirmed specifications, features and the price. All of that will be coming right after this. As for the design, it's expected to come with a glass back and a glossy gradient design and aluminium frame of 7000 series, giving it a more sturdy design, unlike Redmi Note 7 Pro where you'd find a plastic frame making it vulnerable to bend. Redmi K20 comes with triple camera setup and the main sensor being 48 megapixel sensor, which has been confirmed as per this teaser. Later confirmed to have Sony IMX586 sensor by the Xiaomi founder Li Jun. Along with that, a 13 megapixel wide angle lens and 8 megapixel telephoto lens will also be available. And on the front, it will feature a 6.3-inch Full HD Plus notchless display, and along with that you will get an in-screen fingerprint scanner. All of that will get a protection of Gorilla Glass 6. And since there is no notch, you will get a motorized pop-up selfie camera of 20 megapixel. The Redmi K20 will feature the Snapdragon 855 SoC, which is the top of the line chipset offered by Qualcomm. It is comprised of an octa-core CPU and the Adreno 640 GPU, which provides the best gaming experience you can get, which you can see for yourself from the Antutu scores, which is just outstanding. Along with that, this is equipped with UFS 2.1 and LPDDR4X RAM. This smartphone is expected to come with a memory configuration of 6GB RAM and 128GB storage and 8GB RAM and 256GB storage with a microSD support of up to 512GB. But this memory configuration is yet to be confirmed, so there could be some deviations at launch. As per this teaser shared by Redmi, it's confirmed to come equipped with a massive 4000 mAh battery. Reports from the past have also claimed that this smartphone will support 27W fast charging. And guys, this will come with Android 9 with MIUI 10 skin. Along with that, this will also feature NFC, making it a complete package. As for pricing, its base variant is expected to come around Rs 25,000. And if we look at the launch date, it will come in the next month, as this will launch in the Beijing on May 28th. So that was it guys. Share, subscribe and like this video. See you next time. Peace out.